In this video, I'll show you how to install the DirectX 3.0 graphics mod in GTA San Andreas to get best visuals in 2026. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the RAR file and select vendor and select open with vendor. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder. Go back, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, open the required files, open required files folder, select all these files inside and drag and drop. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, go back, open the SA DirectX 3.0, open the single player. Depends on the PC spec, you need to open the folder. I'm going with this Ultra. Drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Once it's done, go back in mod folder, open the optimizer and drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Now you can launch the game using the GTA San Andreas.exe. Once you are in game, press the escape key and go to options and go to display setup, go to advanced, set every settings to max and press enter to save the settings. Draw distance, set this to max and go back, the settings will be saved. Now you can play the game. I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.